Hey guys, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today for this week's Friday haul. It is Friday, February 23rd. Shout out to my sister Kathleen, whose birthday is this weekend. Happy birthday, Kathleen. I have a very short haul this week. I thought it was going to be longer. I was expecting my Frank Garcia package to arrive today. It's Thursday when I'm filming this. And it had some of the new Doodlebug Easter collection in it. And I was going to show you that, but it's not here in today's mail. So I'll show you what I have, and then if it comes in Friday's mail, I'll post a little video showing that part of my haul. But for now, I figured I would just come on and show you a few of the things that I have. So it's going to be pretty short. I posted my Easter home decor haul yesterday, so if you missed that, it's just the video before this one. So it's got lots of things from TJ Maxx and Marshalls and stuff like that. And this is one of the items that I got, and it was in the box, so I figured I would show it to you opened up. Isn't this so cute? It's a strawberry pancake weighted like pillow plushy thing, and it was from TJ Maxx. It was $14.99. It's really heavy, this size, so it's I thought it'd be cute for my craft room, and I could just like put it on my chair and just, you know, hold on to it when you're trying to think of something or whatever, you know, whatever you use a weighted thing for. So this is that, so I figured I would show it to you out of the package, and we'll just leave him there. All right, and I went to Hobby Lobby this week to see what their clearance section was all about, or some of their clearance items, and I did get a few things. I got a couple of non-clearance items too, but they were on sale. I got these flowers from the Paper Studio. Paper Studio is 40% off this week, and this is a repurchase. I've had these before. They're in the paper crafting section, obviously. The floral embellishment, 60 piece, and they're $3.99, 40% off. So this is the yellow and pink variety, and some of the flowers have glitter on them, some of them don't. They all have the little centers on them, but if you don't like those, you could pop them off and add something else. That's what I usually do. But these are really nice small size. Even if you make flowers, it's nice to have the small ones already done. So I noticed I was running very low on these when I last used them, so I thought I would get another pack. So I got those, and then I got some more flowers. These were in the spring section, and they're mini flowers, 50 pieces for $3.99, 40% off. So these are cute. These are bigger than the Paper Studio ones, as you can see. Same price, but you know, there's less in here. There's 50 in the spring ones and 60 in here, but they're smaller, so that's why. These don't have any glitter on them, but you can always add them yourself. And these come in yellow, pink, purple, green, and blue. So really nice colors. And yeah, glad to have those. And then I got two clearance things. I got this little stamp set, the reduced from 4 something, I guess, to 112. And I like these little stamp sets. This is, reduced from $7.49. I thought that said 4 something. Let's see what it says under there. Let me get my little spatula thing. Doesn't it look like it says 4 something? Yeah, it was $4.49. So I guess originally it was $7.49, and then they lowered it to $4.49, and then it was $112. So I have a set of little stamps like this from Michaels, but these are a little bit bigger, and I did try them out already. These are not the best quality. The ones from Michaels are better, because when you look at each of the individual stamps, like some of them are off. Like the E here, look at how far over the E is. This should be in the center. Especially when you're doing individual letters, you count on them to be in the center. So when you're stamping them next to another letter, you think that they're going to be even, you know? So that's kind of a bummer. And some of them, like the wood part was not stuck to the little stamp pad part, so I had to like press it back on. I had to separate them all, which is not that big a deal because they were all stuck together down here on the red rubber. But yeah, they were coming apart, and I don't know. They're they're not as nice as the ones I have from Michael's, but this is the sans serif alphabet, lowercase, 30 piece. So yeah, that's the font of those. And then I got these wood beads, and I have the empty package because I used them in a project, and these were the big ones, and these are round unfinished 9-piece, and they were reduced to 74 cents from $2.99. These are in the treehouse section, you know, over by like kids crafts kind of things. So I got these because I was shopping in Home Goods, and I noticed they had this decor for sale, like wooden beaded carrots, and I was going to buy them. And then I thought, you know what? I have wood beads. I can make them myself. And I saw these, and these were the bigger size that I didn't have. So I thought, okay, perfect. I'll use those for that. So I went onto YouTube and searched for a tutorial, and I found one from a creator called Pumpkin Emily, and I'll link her video down below in case you're interested. But she showed an easy way how to make them. So I showed these on Instagram in case you saw them already, but if not, this is what they look like. So aren't they cute? So these top 3 are from this pack, and I painted them. I'll show you what I used in a second. So I used 3 of those big ones, and it doesn't say the size of them, but if you measure them, and I know they're measured in millimeters, they're about 24 or 25 millimeters across. So there's 3 of those, and then I used 2 of these smaller ones, and these are about 20 millimeters, and these I had in my stash. And then this small, I used 1 small one, so they, you know, kind of go down in size like a carrot would. So this is about 12 millimeters, I guess. So just to give you an idea of the sizes those are. And then I used some twine to string them on, and the twine I used is this one, which I think I've gotten at Walmart. I've had it for a long time. It's number 20, whatever that means, and it looks like this. So it's like a thinner twine or jute cord. So I used that, and then for the greenery, I clipped off pieces from this bundle, and this is from Walmart. This is a boxwood pick, and I think this was like 98 cents or something, but it looks like a carrot, right? Like the carrot greenery. So I just cut them off with my wire cutters and hot glued them into the top when I was done. And then I added little, what do you call these clips again? Oh gosh, I can't even think of that. Ugh, I forget what kind of clips those are, but these kind of pins. And then I made some tags. I used Scrap Diva Designs, the scallop tags, and I used the smallest one, this one right here. And I'll link that down below if it's still available. It might be, I don't know. And then I used the dye on this paper. This is like a orange gingham paper that I printed off of Etsy. And then the stamp I used for the one that says Easter is, I think it's from here. Yeah, I just kind of masked off the happy part. This is an Echo Park stamp set that I've had for a while, and this is from the It's Easter Time collection. And then for the edge of the tag, I used some Distress Oxide in tea dye. And I did rough up the edge of the tag first with my little Tim Holtz like distressing tool. That's what this thing is. And it's got like little razor blades in there. So you just kind of like, you know, put your paper in there and go like this, and it kind of just roughs it up a little bit. Sorry about my tripod. And then I used my Memento Tuxedo Black ink for the stamping. That's this right here. And I used just like a light gray alcohol marker just to add a little bit of a shadow to that. And the paint that I used, I'll show you. Well, let me show you the rest of the carrots. This one's done the same way, but I used an Easter egg stamp, and that is also from this stamp set right here. And I colored it with some alcohol markers, and the color is just a little bit different, as you could see. And then this one, same thing, but I used this cute bunny stamp, and this stamp is from Impression Obsession, and I got this when they were still selling the woodblock stamps. And this is from Elisa Baker Designs, and it's called Leaping Bunny 86067. So that fit in really cute there. So all of these carrots are constructed the same way, but I used different stamps on the tags and different colors for the beads, just to, you know, add a little interest when they're, I plan on displaying them like all together in my Easter decor. So the way I painted these, I used acrylic paint markers. I had this set that I think I had gotten from Amazon, and I used the orange one. And this one worked pretty well. I think I used one coat. I'm sorry, just trying to get the orange one out. And the way I paint them is I put them on dowels and stick them into floral foam, dowels that, you know, fit the whole of the bead so they don't slide up and down. And that way you could just, like, you know, turn the dowel and you don't get too messy painting them with the acrylic markers. And by the time you're done doing all of them, then they're ready to go ahead and string, so it doesn't take long at all. So I used this for one of them, and then I used these markers. These I had gotten to review last year from Paul Rubens Art, and I used, let's see, I think I used this orange and maybe one of these. That's probably why they're out there. And these I think I had to use 2 coats on, but these were a little bit like juicier, so it was kind of easier to paint. Anyway, I think they came out really nice, very easy to do. Follow that tutorial. The only thing I did different, like I said, was I used my paint markers on the tutorial. She used acrylic paint and a paintbrush, so that's an option to do too. And yeah, I think they came out so cute, really easy. And instead of buying 4 of them for 20 bucks or whatever it was at Marshall's, you know, you can make your own. And you probably have wood beads in your stash too. So don't we all? And, you know, if you don't, go to Hobby Lobby because they have they had the big ones on clearance. I don't think they had the smaller ones, but it doesn't cost much to buy the smaller ones. So yeah, I think that's about all I have to share with you today. Sorry again, it's smaller, but if I do get that order in from Frank Garcia's studio, I will load that up later this afternoon. My mail doesn't come until the afternoon, but I wanted to get this up because I know I usually post my hauls in the morning, so I didn't want to wait around, and what if it didn't come in today's mail anyway, right? So yeah, so keep an eye out for that. Make sure you're signed up for subscriptions and for notifications when I post videos, because hopefully I'll be able to post that later. It is a new collection from Doodlebug, and I ordered it from Frank because he always gets the new collections first, and I wanted to get started using it, so that's why I ordered it. I ordered it earlier this week, obviously, and it's so cute, Doodlebug. So yeah, I'm looking forward to getting it and to showing you, and there are some new kind of products in there, so I've got that. And then also tomorrow on Saturday, I will be posting a preview of the new dies for Scrap Diva Designs March 2024 release. Really cute stuff, and I will have a project share too. I've already started working on some of the dies, and just great stuff. You guys will love them. So those dies will be available March 1st, but previews can start tomorrow. So I'm going to be posting mine tomorrow and a little project share. So that's it. If you have any questions, let me know, and I will be back hopefully later today with more crafty shares. Until next time, you guys, have a great weekend. Leave me a comment. Love to know how you're doing, and I'll be back soon. Take care, everyone. Bye.